and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about the Body Slide website is a legit or a scam. Guys, please note as this website is not held by us, we are just providing you the unbiased review. So this is the homepage of the website and this is the product which shows the fat burner along with the price description. How does it works, how to use it, and the effective result of the product has been displayed on a home page. Some of the benefits of the product is also mentioned. So these are some of the reviews, you can check it out. Before making your purchase request, let's check the other navigations. This is a contact us page which asks you some of the personal information that is related to your name, email address and the phone number, as well as the message for the further inquiry. Let's move to the privacy policy. As per the privacy concern thing, this website shows the personal information we collect. How does we use your personal information? Sharing your personal information. And they had shown you some of the links of Facebook, Google and the Bing. So you can check it out, the information present on this page. Let's move to the refund policy. In the refund policy section, they had mentioned if the 30 days have gone by the since you purchased, unfortunately we cannot offer you the refund or exchange. Our privacy lasts 30 days. To be eligible for a return, your item must be unused and in the same condition that you received it. It must also be in a original packing. They had also shown you some of the additional benefits. Now moving to the terms and the condition of the website. Terms of services. On this page you can get to know some of the legal terms of the website. They had shown you some of the sections like online store terms, journal conditions, accuracy, completeness and the timeline of the information, modification to the service and the prices, product of the services. So let's move to the other benefit is provided by this website, which is the express shipping, secured payment and the satisfaction guarantee. So now moving to the conclusion, we advise you not to buy from this website, and as you can buy a scam from it. So as this website you can check, there are some customer reviews which is a fake. You can check those customer reviews on a Google and you can just get a red flag to this website. Also the image contained on this website are taken from the other sources like online web pages. The fake claim of the product, they had mentioned on this website that this product have their own app, which is a false or a wrong information. You can check it out on a Play Store. There is no app has been found with the same name. As well as this website do not have their history on a Google and the customer support, which is a quite suspicious thing. If you have more information about this product and the website, share your thoughts in a comment section Or if you find this video informative, kindly do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more scam and the legit video. Kindly give a hit on a bell icon given below. So please be safe and be aware from the scams. Have a nice day.